The word for today: control what you say. Harsh words can chop off a person's ability to hear what you're saying. When Jesus was betrayed by Judas, he didn't retaliate, even though he could have called 12 legions of angels to his defense. See Matthew 26:53. Then the mob came, laid hands on him, and arrested him. At that point, Peter drew his sword and chopped off the high priest's servant's ear. He was probably thinking, we don't have to take this. But Jesus said, that's not how you handle things. Then he touched the man's ear and healed him. Luke 22:51. Peter had a tendency to talk when he should have been listening, and got into things he had no business getting into. He needed to learn how to wait on God and exercise humility and discernment. God had great plans for him, but if he wanted to fulfill them, he couldn't do it by chopping off people's ears when they upset him. The lesson: you can't fly off the handle whenever you feel like it. You must become sensitive to God's Spirit. If he tells you, say nothing, then you must stand there quietly, even if it means letting someone think they're right when they're not. You must learn that God doesn't owe you an explanation. You can hinder your spiritual growth or God's blessing in your life when you don't control what you say. Perhaps you think that compared to adultery or stealing, the words we speak are no big deal. Think again. Those who guard their lips preserve their life, but those who speak rashly will come to ruin. Proverbs 13, verse 3. That is the word for today.